Hi there everyone and welcome to Tech Cravers. The Steam Deck is unquestionably one of the best and most cost-effective handheld PCs of all time. However, aesthetically, it leaves something to be desired. Even though I've had this white skin from D-Brand since the first week, and I have also swapped out the backplate for this smoky transparent variant, I'm starting to get tired of looking at it. So today I thought we would do something about that. JSAUX has sent me their transparent backplate with built-in RGB LEDs and their transparent front cover for a complete Steam Deck makeover. First I'm gonna show you what the boxes contain, and then I will take you through the installation process in a time-lapse. I'm actually a bit nervous because I've heard that the front cover can be quite a challenge to install. But enough of that, let's jump into it. The first box is the RGB backplate. It comes in this typical JSAUX box with a picture of what's inside and a list of features. Inside we have an instructions manual in both Chinese and English, and we have another box containing screws, a few tools and those hideous finger gloves. You should probably always use them when you tinker with your electronics, as it will remove any static electricity. However, I won't in this video. The box also contains a charging cable for the built-in RGB battery that will last for about 2 hours on a charge, and we also get a few different back buttons. Of course, we also get the backplate itself, which for a first impression looks kind of nice. It has a nice cooling plate on the left, as well as holes for the fan to suck in air. In the top right, you can see the power button for the RGBs as well as the charging port. The pre-installed back buttons bear a very close resemblance to the stock ones on the Steam Deck. And we also get these rubber grips, which I'm not really a super fan of and probably won't end up using. The front cover box is bigger and it comes with a bunch of stuff that you will need for the installation. It comes with every single screw you need in case you miss some of the original screws. You also get a screwdriver, tweezers and prying tools, and you also get a suction cup to use when you remove the screen. And this time around we get full-size rubber gloves. And now it's time to disassemble the Steam Deck, and keep in mind that you will unscrew and remove every single part of the Steam Deck's internals, so be careful so you don't end up lose anything or even worse break anything. JSAUX have an installation tutorial up on their YouTube channel, and I will link to it in the video description. And before we jump into this, make sure that your Steam Deck is totally powered off. Alright, so it's downhill from here. The whole disassembling and reassembling of the front took me about 1.5 hours. And now it's just the backplate with the RGBs left, which is a much easier process. You just line it up, squeeze it in and screw back the screws. And time for a quick test. And would you look at that? How cool is that? This actually looks better than I thought it would. Yeah, that actually came out looking so much cooler than I ever thought it would. The transparent front really makes the RGB on the back come to life when it shines straight through the Steam Deck. And overall this was a very hard mod to install, and that is just because of the front cover alone. The backplate anyone can do. What do you think of the end result? Is this something that you would like to do on your Steam Deck? Let me know in a comment down below. And that's been it for this Steam Deck modding video with the transparent front and back cover from JSAUX with built-in RGBs. I will of course leave a link to where on JSAUX's site that you can order everything. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thanks for watching, TechCravers out.